Hey everyone, I'm Brooke Burke and I am so excited to partner with FabFitFun to introduce you to the Brooke Burke Body Sliders. And first of all, I love connecting with women around the globe, and I'm super lucky to be able to encourage you to find new things that make fitness fun, and I'm always looking for new products. And these little babies are so challenging, so easy to travel with. You can work out with them anywhere and add them to any fitness routine that you're currently doing. So I'm gonna show you how to work head to toe, upper body, sexy back, arms, abs, booty, legs. And what I love most about these is they require a tremendous amount of core strength. So if you're busy like me, then you want to spend the least amount of time working out and get the greatest results. So it's all about maximizing our time. And if you're invested, I'm invested. I'm going to show you how to get it done quick, and you're going to love it. So let's have some fun.